Chelsea corner, left-footed from the left-hand side, out swinger. Comes to the edge of the box, Reece James putting it back in, and it's turned home by Tosin, but the flag is going to go up. He's saying no. Matheus Cunha too slow to get out. Matt Doherty is the VAR. He's telling Simon Hooper now. Goal. Agbadou he's been wrestled by two as the goalkeeper palms it down, and it's turned in. Matt Doherty gets Wolves back on level terms right before half-time. For James, further on to Madueke. Agbadou's the man closing him down. Cross comes in, flicked on by Dewsbury Hall, falls to Cucurella, who taps it home. Drilled towards the far post, free header down and turned home. Madueke with the final touch. Chelsea have a third. Jackson looking to run in behind, into the penalty area, scores another. Flag's going to go up though. Well, back by João Gomes. Guedes infield, poor challenge on Semedo. The play on with Cunha to Rodrigo, right hand side of the penalty area. Pulled back, Cunha's effort, good save by the keeper. Tipping it round the post. João Gomes, that's a clever ball. Jorgen Strand Larsen, left hand side of the penalty area, palmed away by the goalkeeper. Hands it back, finds Cunha, trying to flick it onto Larsen, let it roll across his body, got his shot away, but straight at Sanchez.